Imagine this. The year is 2008. A rocket stands tall on a small island in the Pacific Ocean. Flames roar from its engines. The ground shakes. Elon Musk watches from a control room. His heart pounds. This is the fourth try. The last three failed. If this one crashes, his dream ends. But then the rocket soars into the sky. It reaches orbit. Tears fill Elon's eyes. This is the moment everything changed. This is the story of Elon Musk, a man who dreams big, a man who never gives up. Welcome to Slow English Practice. Today we shadow his life story. Repeat after me slowly. Good. Let's begin. Elon Reeve Musk was born on June 28, 1971. He came into the world in Pretoria, South Africa. The air was warm. The sun shone bright on the city streets. His family was wealthy. His father, Errol, was an engineer and pilot. He owned planes and boats. He even had shares in emerald mines. Elon's mother, May, was a model from Canada. She was beautiful and strong. She raised Elon with love. But life was not easy. Elon's parents divorced when he was 8. But he chose to live with his father. Why? Because his dad had books and a computer. But Elon later regretted it. His father was strict, sometimes harsh. Can you imagine a young boy feeling alone? Elon found comfort in books. He read all day. Books like The Lord of the Rings, the Foundation series by Isaac Asimov, and The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. These stories sparked his imagination. They made him dream of space, of adventure. At school, things were tough. Elon was small and smart. Other boys bullied him. One day, at age 12, a group threw him downstairs. His face hit the concrete. Blood everywhere. He went to the hospital. But Elon did not break. He grew stronger. He taught himself to code. At age 10, he got a computer, a VIC-20. He read the manual, day and night. By 12, he made a game called Blastar. He sold it for $500. Imagine that. A kid making money from code? South Africa was under apartheid. Elon hated it. His family did too. His grandfather, Joshua Haldeman, was an adventurer. He flew planes. He moved from Canada to South Africa. Stories of his grandpa filled Elon's mind. Tales of exploration, of doing crazy things. Elon had a brother, Kimball, and a sister, Tosca. They played together, but Elon often dreamed alone, under the stars. He wondered about the universe, about life on other planets. This was the root of his big ideas, the start of a journey. Can you feel the dust in the air? The quiet nights in Pretoria? Elon went to good schools, Waterkloof House, Bryanston High, then Pretoria Boys High. He was okay in studies, not the best, but in math and science, he shone. At 17, he wanted to leave, to avoid army service. He got a Canadian passport from his mom. He packed his bags with just $2,000. He flew to Canada to start fresh. This was the end of childhood, the beginning of something huge. Canada was cold. Elon arrived in 1989, age 17. He stayed with relatives in Saskatchewan, a farm. He worked hard, cleaning grain bins, cutting logs at a lumber mill. Sawdust in his hair, sweat on his brow. It built his strength, his will. After a year, he went to Queen's University in Ontario. He studied there for 2 years. Parties? No. Elon focused. He read more, learned physics, economics, then a big move to America. In 1992, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania. The campus was alive. Green lawns, old buildings. Elon earned 2 degrees, one in physics, one in economics from Wharton. To pay fees, he threw house parties, big ones, with tickets. He even wrote a plan for scanning books online, like Google Books today. Summers brought internships at Pinnacle Research, studying energy storage, at rocket science games, making video games. These jobs opened his eyes to Silicon Valley, to tech. But challenges came. Elon wanted Stanford for grad school, material science. He got in, but after 2 days, he left. Why? The internet boom called. Netscape, the REM. He applied for jobs. No reply. He had no work visa yet. It was a gray area. Risky. Can you imagine the fear? Starting with nothing in a new land? But Elon pushed on. With his brother Kimball, they borrowed money from Dad. In 1995, they started Zip2, a software company for online city guides. Maps, directions, for newspapers. They rented a tiny office in Palo Alto. Elon coded all night, slept on the couch, showered at the YMCA. No fancy life, just work, 7 days a week. They got contracts, New York Times, Chicago Tribune. But the board would not let Elon be CEO. They thought him too young. Hurt? Yes, but he kept going. In 1999, Compaq bought Zip2 for $307 million. Elon got $22 million. The money burned in his pocket. Elon wanted more. In 1999, he started X.com, online banking, email payments, one of the first. He put in $10 million of his own. It grew fast, over 200,000 customers. But fights inside, investors replaced him as CEO. Then a merger with Confinity. They had PayPal. Elon came back as CEO. But clashes again over software, Unix or Microsoft? While on honeymoon, the board fired him. Peter Thiel took over. Elon stayed as chairman. Hurt again, but learned. In 2002, eBay bought PayPal for $1.5 billion in stock. Elon got $180 million. Now a US citizen, he bought the X.com name back later. For fun, but his mind turned to space, to Mars. In 2001, he joined the Mars Society, talked of sending plants to Mars. He went to Russia to buy old rockets, cheap. But they laughed at him, said no. On the flight home, Elon fought. Why not build my own? He could make rockets affordable. With $100 million, he founded SpaceX in 2002. CEO and chief engineer. The goal? Colonize Mars, make humans multi-planetary. Repeat after me. This was the moment everything changed. Imagine the excitement. Blueprints on tables. Engineers hired. But space is hard. Rockets explode. Money burns. At the same time, Elon invested in Tesla. In 2004, $6.5 million became chairman. Tesla made electric cars, founded by others. But Elon saw the future. Clean energy, no gas. He helped design the Roadster, a sports car. Fast, quiet. Conflicts came. The founders left. In 2008, Elon became Tesla's CEO too. Amid crisis, the turning point shaped him. From software to stars, from banks to batteries. SpaceX grew, but slowly, painfully. First rocket, Falcon 1, launched in 2006, failed, exploded. 2007, another fail. 2008, third fail. Company almost bankrupt. Elon poured in his last money from PayPal. Stress high. Divorce from first wife, Justine. They had 5 kids. 1 died young. Heartbreak. But the 4th launch? Success! Orbit reached. NASA gave a big contract, $1.6 billion, for Dragon spacecraft to ISS. Fame rose. Media called him Iron Man. Tesla struggled too. 2008 crisis. Money short. Laid off workers. Elon led. Roadster delivered in 2008. First electric sports car. Sold 2,500. Then Model S in 2012. Luxury sedan. Awards won. Model X in 2015. With Falcon doors. He started OpenAI in 2015 for safe AI. Donated millions. Neuralink in 2016. Brain chips to help humans with AI. Tests on animals. Monkeys played games with minds. The Boring Company in 2017. Tunnels under cities to beat traffic. Las Vegas Loop built. Tesla cars inside. Rise was hard. Long hours. Elon slept at factories. Twitter posts at night. Funny, bold. In 2018, he tweeted Tesla private at 420. SEC sued. Fine paid. Stepped down as chairman, but stayed CEO. Struggles built fame. Tesla stock soared. SpaceX landed rockets. Reusable. Saved money. Falcon Heavy in 2018. Sent his Roadster to space. Starman driving. Music playing. Can you see the red car floating? Stars around? Elon remarried to Tallulah Riley. Twice. Then dated Grimes. Had kids. Life fast. Jet travel. Homes sold for simple life. Rise continued. 2020 brought COVID. Factories shut. Elon fought rules, called them fascist. Tesla stock fell, then rose. Hit 1 trillion. But personal dark. Split with Grimes. More kids with others. Twins with Siobhan from Neuralink. SpaceX faced fails. Starship exploded in tests. But pushed on. The Big Dark, buying Twitter. In 2022, started with 9% stake, then full buy, $44 billion. Loans heavy, fired half staff, 3,700 gone. Hate speech rose, ads left, value dropped. Renamed to X in 2023. Blue checks for pay. Suspended journalists. Promoted wild theories. Lawsuits. Probes. In Ukraine, Starlake helped, but he refused some requests. Feared war. Dark for image. Called anti-Semite after posts. Boycotts. Politically dark. Shifted right. Supported Republicans. Donated millions. Endorsed Trump in 2024. After attack. Rallies. But controversy. Hand gesture at inauguration. Seen as bad. Jokes followed. Backlash. Neuralink probes for animal deaths. Tesla recalls. Cybertruck delays. Elon felt pressure. Jet tracked. Stalker on sun. Dark moments tested him. Loneliness. Asperger's shared in 2021. Can you feel the weight? The nights alone? But from dark comes light. Light broke through. SpaceX won more. Crew Dragon to ISS in 2020. First private. Starlink grew. 7,600 satellites by 2025. 65% of all. Helped Ukraine. Rural areas. NASA contract to deorbit ISS. 843 million. Starship tests better toward Mars. Tesla bounced. Model Y bestseller in 2023. Gigafactories everywhere. Shanghai, Germany. Cybertruck delivered. Stainless steel, tough. Stock recovered. Valuation high. Neuralink got FDA OK. Human trials 2023. Chips in brains for paralysis. xAI founded 2023 to rival OpenAI. Grok AI made. Boring company expanded. Vegas tunnels. Dogecoin payments. Politically, come back as advisor. In 2025, to president. Led Doge. Cut government waste. Donated big. Influenced. X stabilized. New CEO. But Elon CTO. Personal comeback. More kids. Focused on family. Breakthrough in dreams. Humans to Mars closer. EVs everywhere. AI safe. Repeat after me. From dark comes light. Elon proved it. Never give up. Peak shone bright. Its valuation, 180 billion. Elon owns 42%. Reusable rockets changed space. Cheaper, faster. Falcon Heavy. Starship. To Moon. Mars. Tesla most valuable car maker. Over Toyota. S&P 500 in 2020. EVs rule roads. Batteries from gigafactories. Neuralink breakthroughs. Minds linked to machines. Help disabled. xAI explores universe. X connects world. Though changed. Awards. Time Person of the Year 2021. Richest man often. Peak in impact. Worlds changed. Space, cars, energy, AI. Imagine the view from top. Stars closer. Earth, greener. In later years, Elon focuses on Mars, on AI. Lives simple. Sells houses. Family grows. 11 kids. Legacy? Dreamer who acts. Makes impossible real. SpaceX to stars. Tesla to clean world. Teaches us. Dream big. Work hard. Never stop. His story inspires. What can we learn? Persevere. Like Elon. Repeat after me. I can change the world. Shadow this story again. Pause and repeat. Thank you for shadowing with me. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next story.